More than 3 million temporary and contract employees work for America's staffing companies during an average week. During the course of a year, America's staffing companies hire more than 15 million temporary and contract employees. 1,800 staffing firms with over 17,000 branch offices compete in what is expected to be a $174 billion U.S. labor market. But some new changes and challenges will be a part of the staffing industry landscape. 20% of the U.S. temporary or contingent workforce cite scheduling flexibility as their motive for temp work over a fixed full-time employee role. And that subset of staffing is likely to grow as the concept and flexibility of gig economy engagement continues to grow. The gig economy really got its start after the market collapse in November of 2008, with the birth of Uber in March of 2009. Uber is born into a perfect storm where now 8 million people become underemployed. But instead of working a temp job or working restaurants or retail to reconstruct their income, they now just flip on their mobile phone to connect to a flexible gig and reconstruct their income. The gig economy platforms have now changed the rules for engagement and connection that better adapt to flexible contingent workers. They're also spending hundreds of millions to develop these engagement platforms and attract people who prefer a flexible work life. Now the pool of interested and available talent that the staffing industry has relied on has other easier ways to access income options. These innovations will make keeping a full bench of flexible candidates increasingly difficult. What if there were a way to adapt and empower your staffing business with the same technology to make those same gig economy connections and interactions with no investment? What if that same technical power came equipped with a national A-rated workers' compensation coverage so that you could enter any U.S. market in an instant? What if this cutting-edge technical operating platform with embedded coverage also gave you access to a large, vetted, and enrolled on-demand workforce? Get ready to change the way you think about human capital. ShiftPixy was designed to reconnect staffing operators to the new demands and challenges of the part-time labor market. The gig economy has taken a lot of people by surprise and is the reason you're having more trouble finding and keeping people. ShiftPixy Power for your staffing operation is your opportunity to run better, compete larger, and grow faster without capital. Imagine powering your growth without outside capital. Powering your staffing business with ShiftPixy means leveraging technology to compete better in a changing labor market. The ShiftPixy ecosystem delivers 4 important drivers for rapid growth: a cutting-edge mobile technology platform to connect and track your field staff with ease, know where your team members are in real time and connect with them in an instant, national A-rated workers' comp coverage with no deposits or audits, so you can move into new markets with ease, a live, local, on-demand pool of available candidates already documented to fill job orders with a fully automated process to get you out of the recruiting business, terms for invoices to replace AR financing. The bottom line: run faster, run larger, and run easier to meet the new labor market demands. Here's how a staffing operator uses and leverages the ShiftPixy ecosystem. Onboarding. A 30-minute chat in English or Spanish completes a full employee onboarding package. Guided by Pixie through all federal, state, and application forms. Sign once. Scheduling. Define every position. Assign day and time slots. Select and associate team members with each position and time slot, then push play. The ShiftPixy algorithm keeps watch over any change in the schedule. If anyone vacates a slot, Pixie goes to work to find and connect to the next best person from the bench to fill the slot. Pixie continually chases and nudges works to action to assure an open slot is accurately filled, doing the work of several people in the background. Intermediation. The live, local, on-demand ShiftPixy ecosystem means that even if your local bench is lean, you can allow Pixie to look to other local benches for shift fulfillment. This changes the recruiting game, making better real-time connections. This new level of engagement caters to new worker preferences with simplicity. Real-time human capital deployment. Know where everyone is in real time. Every location in every market. Underlying payroll processing. Workers' comp metering, live time and attendance. All processes tied into a single platform. Automated compliance for every market. Knowing where everyone is in time and space takes time and attendance to a whole new level. Superior real-time business intelligence. Literally see and know rather than wonder or guess. Quicker course corrections and opportunity capture for nimble market movement. Stay ahead of the trends and competitive threats. Don't be the first to hear and the last to act. Explore the ShiftPixy economics and get ahead of the future now.